Heyo, what's the sound? It's the sound of your stuff being found by the TrackR Bravo, Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review of the TrackR. This thing helps you find your lost stuff. Basically what it does, and it also helps you find your lost phone, because in addition to hitting this button and this thing making a ringer sound through Bluetooth, you can hit this button right here that this is connected to. If I can just pop this button on. And the phone rings. Pretty cool. Alright, next couple rings. Quick note, that actually works if the phone's on silent too. Amazon link below to buy this thing. TrackR also makes some other cool trackable stuff to help you. This is the TrackR Bravo. I think they're on the TrackR Pixel now, or even something else. This is one of their older models. And I'm going to give you my general experience with it. I'm going to tell you right off the bat that I do like it. It has helped me find my phone in the past, as well as my keys and my wallet. I have a couple of these. Now, what does it come with? At least the TrackR Bravo comes with a 3M adhesive, okay, a key ring. I already put it on to save you time. And then it also comes with this little instruction manual on how to set up the app, but you're going to learn that from the App Store anyway. And what you can do with it is you can put it on anything. You can put it on your keys, you can put it on your bike, you can put it on your laptop, and it helps you find your stuff from clicking the button when it's connected to Bluetooth and make a ringer on the device, or vice versa, where you press the button on the device and it makes you ring your phone, even if it's on silent. Now, a couple other features of this thing. We already went through the item ringer and the phone finder. It's got a separation alert, so if your phone goes too far between this device, say you're going to your car and you're about to leave, your phone will remind you that, hey, you left your wallet behind. Kind of a neat feature. And then, of course, it also has crowd locate. Now, what that means is that if your keys, for instance, come within distance of someone else who has the app installed on their phone, which is actually a surprising number of people. I think the crowd locate on theirs already found this thing more than once. Look at that. So there's, over 1 million people at the app. So what happens is someone comes by your bike that was stolen, someone comes by your wallet that maybe you left at home, or you can't find it. It'll tell you through the app the last place it was located. Once again, Amazon link below if you have a problem losing your stuff or keeping the holy trinity of your phone, your wallet, and your keys together. This will help do that. I like it. Pretty cool device. I'm going to get a couple more of these for my bike and my car, even my car. I mean, imagine if your car gets stolen and you don't have some sort of way to track it back. Help the police out. Just some ideas. Pretty cool stuff. I will show you the back of this before we close out the review. They have an app. They have apps for the Apple app in the Google Play Store. Some other neat logos going on there. They have their website down there, the TrackR.com. And I'm going to read this really quick before I close this review. Attach TrackR Bravo to any item. Then use your smartphone to find it. Use the TrackR app to ring the item or see its last known location. Can't find your phone? Press the button on the TrackR Bravo to ring your phone, even on silent. Lose your item far from home, crowd locate can help you find it. TrackR Bravo features, item ringer, phone finder, replaceable battery. I'm not going to do it, but you can easily just pop it open with a pen. Replace the battery. And crowd locate recovers over 1 million items daily. Not sure on that number, but I'm sure it's helped people find their lost stuff. Family sharing, distance indicator. Works for pretty much any smartphone worth its salt. So, if you have problems losing your stuff, what are you waiting for? Buy one of these. Chmelaeon.com is out. And be sure to know that when you make your TrackR app, you can actually have multiple items. Come on now. In your login. So I can do my wallet. I can go to my keys. Which they're actually sending me a free battery from the app. I thought that was kind of cool. That's basically it. You can log in from any phone. Chmelaeon.com, out. Buy one of these today if you have a problem with finding your phone. It will cure you of that. Peace.